The world is changing faster than ever, and the shipping industry is one of the most important tools that keeps the world alive in conditions like a pandemic. Digitalization is everywhere. The way we do our jobs and the equipment and systems that we use evolve every single day. But what about mankind? Are they capable of catching up to this evolution? Statistics still show that 90% of accidents are due to the human factor. These skill sets that companies are seeking are therefore changing. Not only selecting the right candidates, but orientating them to your culture and company, preparing them for the job and maintaining and improving their psychology. Tracking all this process, analyzing this data and taking necessary actions are fundamental keys of maintaining safety and operational excellence. On the other hand, the regulations for the maritime industry get harder and harder by the day. Your crew needs to follow up with regulations and industry standards and implement them properly in order to be on the safe side. After TMSA standards came into force, now dry BMS is on its way for bulkers. The systems, organizations, and the culture need to be changed. It is obvious that this change should be supported by effective digital systems and proper content. Maritime Trainer was established in 2011 to be your solution partner for selection and development of your crew and allow you to focus on your core business activities, as it is obvious that it's nearly impossible to meet the requirements by traditional methods. We are a global digital learning technology, content, and service provider for the maritime industry. Through our technology and expertise, we help shipping companies on selection and development of their crew in order to increase safety and achieve operational excellence in their daily operations. Over 30,000 seafarers and more than 400 vessels are supported by our comprehensive services that meet your requirements from one service point. Our team consists of young but talented colleagues with more than 70 years collective experience on maritime, training, safety, and software. We know the requirements, follow up the developments, and implement them immediately at our platform. By using our platform, you can fulfill the necessary steps required to set up a proper selection and development system in order to meet TMSA and dry BMS requirements. Our comprehensive and sophisticated solution covers any service and product for ship management companies' training needs in a modular format that is designed to fit specific purposes. Our competency management system is designed to meet any requirements via a lean management interface. It is easy to manage the whole process by the developments we made with the help of our stakeholders' feedback. New user enrollment, assessment, and course enrollments for specific rank, vessel enrollment for offline platform, synchronization, viewing reports, and many other features are developed by our UI/UX designers in order to alleviate your workload and ease your crew system use. Job application and GDPR. Recruitment, follow-up, and management of new job applications is one of the most challenging and time-consuming issues of the Human Resources Department of the maritime companies. Also, there are many additional obligations related to the new General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR. MTR has developed an online job application, CV module, which reduces the time and labor spent on these tasks by receiving the applications online, initially by declaring the policy statement and taking the open consent as required by the GDPR. In addition to this, the applicants are automatically defined to the training platform and competency assessments are assigned according to the rank and type of vessel. By this method, all relevant data is collected with the help of our platform and can be filtered in detail at any time without any additional workload. Applicants can update their data over the online system at any time. Assessment module. Selecting the best candidates to meet the challenging nature of operations is the first step to achieve zero accidents and operational excellence. You need to measure both the technical and non-technical skills with reliable tools and supported evidence. Maritime Trainer allows you to use our competency, English, personality, and aptitude tests in order to select the best candidate that fits your expectations. By random photo capturing options, you can also view if the applicant is completing the assessment him or herself. Technical Skills Assessment. The Technical Skills Assessment is developed for every rank and vessel type with various types of questions, including animations from a comprehensive question bank of more than 10,000 questions with a detailed reporting based on categories. Personality Test. In order to measure the soft skills and risk orientation of the crew, we use a personality test that measures the seafarer's skills under 12 KPIs, supported with a detailed report identifying the gaps and benchmarking them against the other applicants. Aptitude Test. Cognitive skills are also vital to select the appropriate candidates for the challenging conditions. The aptitude test allows you to measure the cognitive skills of the crew, create a profile with detailed explanations, and benchmark the individual's report against the average score of the other applicants. Maritime English Test. 50 questions are asked from various maritime-related subjects according to the rank, with different types of questions, including voiced-over ones.
On the bridge, I have to act as a competent lookout during day.
The detailed report allows you to see the level of the candidate in all aspects. Pronunciation Test. Our innovative game-based pronunciation test with voice recognition platform allows you to measure the pronunciation skills of the applicants, which is also linked to our LMS platform.
Autopilot. Freeboard.
Detailed reporting. Our comprehensive reporting page allows you to see the detailed reports of the assessments in order to identify risks and gaps to be filled for a better selection and training needs analysis. Orientation Module. The first step is to orient your crew to your company, which comprises your history, policy, vision, culture, and codes. It is also vital to give comprehensive training over your safety management system. Therefore, we prepare a specific training module over your SMS with an assessment that every officer needs to complete by reading the manual over the platform. We also allow your crew to reach orientation files prepared at your company through a cloud infrastructure before joining the vessel, which eases the orientation workload of the office personnel. Pre-joining safety and refreshment training is also part of our orientation package, which increases the crew safety awareness and refreshes their knowledge before every joining period. Interactive Training Courses. Computer-based training, CBT, when prepared professionally, is an innovative way of training that engages the candidates into training by using the right tools. This training is accessible with mobile devices over our app or from onboard vessels over our offline platform. We have a wide range of training topics that comprise of technical and non-technical skills, and which are developed by the latest digital learning technologies and voiced over by native speakers.
Inexperienced persons or those under 18 years of age should not be sent to work aloft or overside.
MTR can also develop specific interactive CBTs on demand for your specific requirements. We can prepare the CBTs in a way that allows the crew to fill a document after having the necessary training, like Incident Investigation Report, Garbage or Oil Record Book, or Risk Assessment Form, which is automatically evaluated afterwards. All induction and CBT training have an assessment with photo capturing option and a satisfaction questionnaire. Attendees are awarded with a certificate with a square code after the successful completion of the CBTs. Certificates are granted under our Maritime Training Institute accreditation and can be checked online with the square code in order to increase reliability. Crew mental health and behavior-based safety training. Resilience is how well a person can adapt to the events in their life after facing a tragedy, natural disaster, health concern, or a relationship, work, or social problem. A person with good resilience has the ability to bounce back more quickly. We provide interactive training modules with problem-based learning approaches supported with 2D and 3D animations, which are enriched with real-life scenarios through voice-overed CBTs, which are easy to manage during onboard training. For this purpose, we have created various e-learning CBTs covering the learning engagement tools and the resilience modules. We are also providing the whole resilience management package, comprising of methodology training, keeping the necessary training up to date, monitoring them, taking feedback, evaluations, and scheduling training and preparing statistics of the training completed through our LMS platform. 3D training videos. Showing the actual accident with every detail by 3D animation technology is much more effective than narrating the accident through some demonstrations. We provide a wide range of 3D animated videos that you can use for your onboard classroom and individual training. In addition to that, we prepare 3D company-specific learning from videos based on your real-life accidents, with reflective learning methodology, which you can use to increase your cruise awareness throughout your fleet. Company-specific CBT, Task Manager and Questionnaire module. Most of the companies prepare presentations for their specific needs in order to share at the orientation training or company-run seminars. We can easily convert them to CBTs and add assessments for you in order to add them to your company-specific training library and enroll the relevant crew. On the other hand, you can create tasks for the crew for a limited time in order to use it as a micro-learning tool, like giving a circular and asking some questions, giving a mission to check some equipment, and preparing a report or even a scheduled mission for cadets that can be tracked over this platform, which also allows crew to upload documents and give a response. You can also prepare your company-specific survey and send it to the crew with one click. You will have these statistics on your platform after the crew completes the questionnaires. Additional features. Our platform allows you to have monthly health and safety bulletins prepared by our experts and daily maritime news digest. You can add any documents and/or supportive videos into your library for free access of your crew. Implementations like safety observation cards, complaint handling, and near-miss reporting, while showing that confidentiality can be easily managed over our platform by addressing necessary users. Your data is under protection by necessary security measures and daily backups under complete cloud infrastructure. Training Manager module. One of the most challenging issues that companies face is planning and monitoring the individual and fleet-based training. With the help of our Training Manager module, it is easy to define training, plan them in the necessary time intervals, and monitor them both for onboard and offshore trainings. Offline platform. With the help of our easy-to-use offline system, you can have the same features on board your vessel without any internet connection. The system can be reached over the network of your vessel and can be uploaded on any designated computer. The enrollment of crew and synchronization of data is also made easy over our platform. Behavior-based competence management. We have also developed a performance evaluation reporting system based on OCIMF's behavioral-based competency management system that allows you to measure your officer's performance through the defined KPIs and identify gaps for improvement. Another module that is in parallel to Intertanko's competence management system is also under development. Statistics. You can have any kind of statistics through our platform from our comprehensive statistics module. We can even create specific statistics for you over your platform and share the reports with you within defined periods with the help of our robotic process automation. (3D web-based simulation). In order to expand game-based learning for the individuals that cannot reach the VR devices, We also developed computer-based training modules that are designed to follow a set of rules and procedures to complete a critical operation on board. This tool can be used for both assessment and training purposes, and the reports can be reviewed over our LMS platform. VR-based simulation. With the help of the VR technology, we enable seafarers to experience onboard situations, emergencies, and/or equipment in an immersive way, as close as the real environment. This way, we increase the ability of training adequately skilled seafarers for maritime academies, training centers, or shipping companies. With the help of rapidly developing technology, we are now transferring our games to a more advanced, easy-to-access standalone device like Oculus Quest 2, which will allow maritime stakeholders to be able to use these devices even on board the vessels. We see this new technology as a very important part of the future of maritime training and are investing heavily on this area. Consultancy and training. The industry is moving towards a new era with new regulations and industry expectations. In this dynamic world, we are taking part to assist ship management companies on meeting these requirements with system consultancy and training. We are following the industry standards like TMSA and Dry BMS closely in order to help make the shipping companies align with the expectations easily and focus on their core business activities. Digitalization. The next generation of shipping leaders are facing a new challenge with the fourth industrial revolution. The digital evolution has been shaping all industries, as well as the maritime industry. The shipping leaders with a clear vision started to digitalize their operations as much as possible in order to operate more efficiently and profitably. Sustainability trends that are shaping the 2000s will put more pressure on the shipping leaders. New environmental regulations will impact most of the shipping industry. The fourth industrial revolution is changing almost every aspect of life. It brings challenges and opportunities. Increased productivity, efficiency and quality in processes, reduced carbon emissions, and insurance costs are just some of them. Robotic process automation, RPA, is set to be one of the key technologies in the sweeping transformation of the economy, society, and the labor market. With RPA, we are helping shipping companies get more efficient, more productive, and better.